Welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network. Today, we're tackling some of the most frequently asked questions about the A&P certificate. Whether you're just starting your journey in aviation maintenance or looking to advance your career, this video is for you. Let's get into it. First up, is an A&P license only applicable in the United States? No, the A&P license is specific to the United States and its FAA regulations. Other countries have different certification systems for aircraft mechanics. However, some countries may recognize the A&P license for certain purposes depending on international agreements and local regulations. How long does it take to obtain an A&P license? The time required varies depending on your pathway. Graduating from an FAA-approved Aviation Maintenance Technician (A&P) program typically takes about 18 to 24 months. If you gain equivalent experience through on-the-job training, it may take around 30 months or 2,000 hours to meet the experience requirements. What are the costs associated with obtaining an A&P license? Costs can vary widely, including tuition for A&P programs, study materials, exam fees, and travel expenses for practical exams. On average, the total cost can range from a few thousand to several $1,000s. Can I work on all types of aircraft with an A&P license? Yes, you can work on a wide range of aircraft, including commercial airliners, general aviation aircraft, helicopters, and more. The license covers both airframe and powerplant systems, allowing you to perform maintenance tasks on various aircraft components and systems. How often do I need to renew my A&P license, and what are the renewal requirements? An A&P license does not expire. Since my A&P license does not expire, can I work on an aircraft anytime? To work on an aircraft, you have to be current. A mechanic must have documented having had some recent experience. To maintain currency, an A&P mechanic must have been working actively as a mechanic or supervised other mechanics for a 6-month period in the previous 24 months. To regain currency, the mechanic must work under another mechanic's supervision for those 6 months. The FAA has defined active as full-time work. Can I use my A&P license to work internationally? While the A&P license is primarily a U.S.-focused certification or on U.S.-registered aircraft, some countries may recognize it or accept it for specific purposes. However, you may need to adhere to the certification and licensing requirements of the specific country or region you wish to work in. Are there opportunities for advancement with an A&P license? Absolutely. You can pursue additional certifications, such as inspection authorization, IA, or specialize in areas like avionics, composites, or specific aircraft manufacturer training programs, opening doors to higher-level positions and specialized roles. Can I start my aviation maintenance business with an A&P license? Yes, having an A&P license allows you to start your aviation maintenance business. You can offer maintenance services to aircraft owners, operators, and enthusiasts, giving you independence and control over your work, schedule, and client base. How can I stay updated with changes in the aviation industry after obtaining an A&P license? Continuing education is crucial. Attend workshops, courses, and seminars offered by FAA-approved training providers. Networking with industry professionals and staying informed about regulatory updates and technological advancements is essential for ongoing professional development. Is an A&P license a prerequisite for all aircraft maintenance jobs? While it's highly preferred and often required for many positions, some entry-level roles may accept candidates with lower-level certifications or on-the-job training. However, having an A&P license significantly enhances your employability and job prospects in the aviation maintenance field. Do I need a medical certificate for an aviation mechanic certificate? No. What is the difference between an FAA certificate and a license? The terms certificate and license tend to be used interchangeably. The FAA Aviation Mechanic Certificate is frequently referred to as a license. If you are issued an FAA certificate, it means you have been found to possess a particular skill level, with certain authority, privileges, and limitations. Record keeping. It is important to keep records of your training and educational activities completed. This includes certificates, transcripts, or other documentation verifying your participation in approved training courses or activities. It's important to note that the FAA periodically updates the requirements and procedures for A&P license. It is advisable to refer to the FAA's official guidance, regulations, and announcements for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding requirements. By fulfilling the continuing education, you can maintain an active A&P license, stay current with industry standards and regulations, enhance your professional knowledge and skills, and continue to work in aviation maintenance. That wraps up our A&P Certificate FAQ Part 1 session. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.